Today I want to show you how to set up your Momcozy Kleanpal Pro. I'll have a link for this device and the detergent tablets in the link below. First, I just want to do a quick little overview. So after you get it out of the box and take the plastic off, this is exactly how it'll look. So the top is the lid. You can pull that off. And there is a separate tray here. This is for your bottle tops and your nipples. This little square right here is actually where the detergent tablets go into. Next, when we look into the device, you can see that there are compartments for bottles. So you can put your bottles in there. Next, if we swing this around, the back side, you'll have the water container here, and this has our goodies in it. And then the back on the bottom, you'll have your drain and your power plug. So to set this up, we can pull the top off. And there's a bag of goodies in here. This will have your power cable and your drain. So we can open this up and pull both out. And this is pretty self-explanatory, but you'll take the power cable and plug it into the power cable slot. All right, once that's in, you can plug this in. And next, the drain plug. You can undo the drain, and you can decide which side that you want to put in, but I usually put the elbow in, that way it sits flush. And then you can take this to your desired drain, and it has suction cups on here so you can make sure it stays. Next, in the water filler, you have just a quick start guide. And lastly, you have the detergent tablets. So if we open these up, you can see that they're packaged, but they're the little tiny squares that'll go on the top. All right. So next, after this, you can fill up with water, and there you'll see that there is a minimum and a maximum line, which are pretty much the same thing. So you can fill this up with water, plug the device in, replace the basket, and once it's on, you can click power and choose whichever setting you need. I usually run 1 when I first open this up, just so it disinfects and cleans anything, but after that you'll be good to go. Thought this video was useful? Please leave a thumbs up. Thank you.